Today we're going to be unboxing one of our favorite products, which is Ben 9 Makeup's Creme Personal Kit. Now this kit includes everything that a performer needs to take the stage, whether that's an upcoming theatrical production, maybe a dance recital, and these shades also look great on camera, so if you've got something on film coming up, these are great for that too. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So obviously you've got, most importantly, your cream foundation here, and this can be selected based on specific shades. You've also got your contour palette, and this includes rouge, highlights, shadow, lip color, little accents, things like that. You've got a flat brush, as well as an eyebrow pencil, along with a variety of different sponges and things to apply the makeup with. And then finally, you have your face powder here. Now, something else to note is that at Theater House, we carry these personal kits in a wide variety of shades. So one thing you'll find is that some supply stores only carry, a few of the most popular, but here we have a different shade for no matter what kind of look you're trying to achieve. And that's it. That's everything that's included in the kit. And something to note is that, if you're doing several runs of the same show, there's enough in here to last at least 4 or 5 productions, if not more, depending on how much you use. So again, it's a great value, lots of great products included. That's why it's one of our favorites.